So now you know how to resolve. So I can resolve all these forces into x and y direction. So here we have this 30 degree at the first quadrant. So I just resolve. This is px. This is py. Okay. This is to this direction. So I make sure that the original force Q is in the middle of two resolving force. So this one, that way is the direction of Qx. Upward will be the direction of Qy. Okay, same as this one. Rx and Ry. Okay, so now you have resolved everything in x and y direction. So now you can add directly, okay, all the forces in same direction, meaning that in x-axis and then you go to y-axis, and then you will get the answer. Okay, so here I have to write down. Okay, so I'm using the 30 degree. So this is 10 cos 30. This is 10 sin 30. Okay, positive negative doesn't matter first. So after that, when you put the direction positive negative, then you put positive negative. Now you just put the value. Okay, this is, I'm using the 40 degree. So this is 20 cos 40. This is 20 sin 40. Okay, Rx as y, you can use it as this one. You can leave it here, or you can also write as, because you didn't know. So this is R cos theta, because we use this one, equal to R sin theta. Okay, now you have resolved and named all the forces into x and y direction. So what you will do next is you have to add all the force in x and then all the force in y. You will have a simultaneous equation. If you have two unknown, and then you can solve this one. Okay, so let's go. Let's say we have, first I will start in x direction. So now I choose which direction that I want to be positive. Okay, normally we choose positive x as positive, positive y upward as positive. So x to the right, y upward as positive. So I choose this is positive. So the equation is Rx equal to sigma f in x direction. Okay, or opposite, sigma fx equal to Rx, doesn't matter. Okay, so Rx equal to sigma f in x direction. So Rx, what is Rx? Here Rx is this one. You can put R cos theta, or you can put Rx. Okay, we didn't know, both we didn't know. Okay, so you just put, let's say here we have Rx, this direction to the right, so this is positive, equal to sigma fx. Sigma fx, so equal to px plus p plus qx. Take the force all in x direction, px and qx. You know the value of px and qx, so you have to put Rx equal to, what is px? 10 cos 30, and this is positive because same direction as this one, but plus qx. Qx is opposite direction by our positive direction, so minus 20 cos 40, so you get one answer here. Okay, for the x direction, so let's say we have 10 cos 30 minus 20 cos 40, so you have, okay, minus 6.66 Newton. What it means by this minus, meaning that actually the value is 6.66 Newton in magnitude, and the direction is opposite from our positive direction, so the Rx is actually this direction. So our Rx, first we assume to the left, to the right, but we got negative, meaning that it is actually to the left. So you get the correct Rx, which is to the left. Continue for y direction. Upward positive, Ry equal to sigma Fy, so equal to y equal to, so we have Py plus Qy. So the Ry is Ry. So we have Ry equal to, y is Py. Py upward, so positive 10 sine 30 plus, because the Qy also upward, so same as this one, so also positive 20 yy sine 40. So you can add up this one to get the Ry. Okay, so let's go. 10 sine 30 plus 20 sine 40, 17.86 Newton. It is positive, meaning that it is same as this one. So correct, our answer is correct, it is upward. Okay, so that's why I said to you, you just assume one direction and then you get from the calculation, you know which is the correct direction. Okay, so now you have these two values, Px this one, Py this one. What you want to do is, you want to combine this one. Okay, you want to combine because we know that now the R equal to Rx plus Ry. Okay, so I will start first by Rx. Rx is this one. This is my start point. Rx to the left. This is Rx. Okay. Rx. And then my Ry is upward. So I will add the Ry. So this is my end point. So what is the R? R is from start point to end point. This one, so this is the R, and this is the theta. Okay, so how do you get that one? The R equal to, okay, so R equal to, you can use cos, sine or something like that, cos theta, sine theta, or you can directly use R equal to square root of Rx squared plus Ry squared. So you get the R. So square root of 6.66 squared plus 17.86 squared. So you have the R. Okay, so you get the correct answer, same as the previous calculation, 19.06 Newton. Okay, now you have the magnitude. This is not finished because you always need to have magnitude and also direction. So you need to know what is the value of theta. So what is it? You know, all is known now. You can use the cos or sine or tangent. So normally I just use the tangent. Tangent theta equal to, what is it? Tangent Ry divided by Rx. This is Rx. So Ry divided by Rx. Doesn't matter for the, don't put negative or positive because this is only the length is taken. Okay, so Rx divided by Ry. So you want the, this is tangent theta, you want the theta. So the theta equal to tangent minus 1, Ry divided by Rx. Ry is 17.86 divided by 6.66. You have the theta. So tangent minus 1, 17.86 divided by 6.66. So you have 69.5. 69.5 degree. So you have the magnitude and you have the direction, and normally for your final result, I urge you to just write this one, R equal to 19.06 Newton, 69.5 degrees. So this is your final answer. You have the magnitude, you have the direction. Okay, I hope that clear. So again, for What we need to do is, for this rectangular component, you put in the equation, you check for the unknown. Now we have two unknown, here Rx and Ry. You resolve into X and Y direction. The resolving force must make the original force right in the middle. Okay, so Ry, Rx, Qy, Qx, and so on. So after you resolve that one, you need to solve one by one. First one in the X direction, you choose which direction you want to consider positive, and then you got the answer. If it is opposite direction, you get negative. If the answer is negative, meaning that it is opposite from our first assumption. This one you have to first assume. Okay, same as Ry, you get the answer. So now you have the Rx and Ry combined using this method. Okay, and then you can calculate R, square root of these two. You get the R, and then tangent minus 1, you get the theta. Okay, so you have your final answer. So that's all for the third method.